In primetime news this evening, we will address it. Prime Minister responds to probe by TVJ News about unregulated developments. Leave us out of it. CCA Capital Partners Limited breaks silence on probe into controversial multi-million-dollar contract by CAP. And new regulations to streamline board appointments passed in Parliament.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we are asking what intervention strategies can be implemented to reduce incidents of domestic violence. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at TelevisionJam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.